Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x800701aa on your Windows computer, then try the following solutions. The first solution is to check the internet speed. Search for fast.com in the Windows search bar. On Google or anywhere, and check the internet speed here. If it's good enough, then everything is going to work. The next one is to check the OneDrive server status. So all you need to do is type OneDrive server status and hit enter. Now scroll down and click on server status. The website is portal.office.com/service status, and you can check the status of the OneDrive service here. So here it is, it's up and running. The next solution is to reset OneDrive. We have a command for it. Okay, press the Windows key and the R button together, paste this command here and click on OK. The last solution is a clean boot just in case third-party programs are interfering. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, and finally on OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.